How to optimize measurement settings of NineFocus. Let's illustrate the settings by first running the pHMeasurement shortcut and using the default settings. Click on the corresponding shortcut labeled pHMeasurement and start the measurement. Notice that the sensor cleaner reminder appears. It's a helpful message to ensure that the measurement is performed with a well-functioning sensor. After the measurement is performed, the Confirm End of Analysis button appears. After pressing OK, you end on the home screen again. If you want to speed up your pH measurement, you can adjust the settings. To access the settings, navigate to the hamburger menu. Click on it and go to Setup. From there, select System Settings, and finally head to Task and Resources Behavior. In the Task tab, you can enable and disable various functions, according to your preferences, that are related to the pH measurement. Namely, these include the Confirm End of Analysis, allow manual endpoints, and Clean or Immerse Sensor Reminder. Save your changes and navigate back to the home screen by pressing the house icon at the bottom middle of the meter. Clean or Immerse Sensor Reminder. When you start the measurement, you'll notice that the meter immediately starts measuring. No sensor cleaning reminder appears as before. Allow manual endpoints. Further, you'll notice that the manual endpoint button has disappeared, simplifying the measurement. Confirm End of Analysis. You'll observe that the home screen directly appears after the measurement. There's no need to confirm the measurement anymore. If you want to get to know NineFocus in more detail, check out the other videos.